Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we'll show you how to put together this gorgeous acrylic crystals candle holder with beaded garlands and teardrop accents that's perfect to use as a centerpiece. Here we're showing you detailed measurements, but they will also be in the description below or on our website in the product listing. So starting with the base pole, it already comes put together like this, and we'll be adding branches and garlands to this pole. Now we're going to put together the branches of the candle holder. There are 4 total, and using the wrench in the assembly kit that comes included, you want to unscrew that top nut and take off the silver attachment. Everything else can stay on. Then we're bringing in this acrylic cup with teardrop beads and we're placing it over the bolt. The silver attachment goes on top and you can then secure it in place once more. And you can just use your hands here, but to really secure it, we do recommend using that wrench. So go ahead and repeat this step with the other 3 branches, so you should have 4 branches with 4 cups on them total. For the next step, we're adding the branches to the top tier partition. It'll have 4 holes through the metal where the branches are placed. So again, just unscrew that nut, slide the bolt through, and then secure it on the other side with the nut again, using the wrench for a better fit. It might still move a little bit. That's okay because we'll be adjusting the branches later, but you do want them to be pretty secure. As before, repeat the last step with the remaining 3 branches, so now all of them are connected to this tier. It's easier to connect them upside down, but once you flip it, it should look like this with the cups pointing up. Don't worry if you get them on backwards, we definitely did that the first time too. But now you can adjust the branches so they are more even. Now this tier is ready to be attached to the base pole, and it's just going to go right into that top cup. This part does take a little while, so our suggestion is to keep one hand on the pole for more stability as you're attaching the tier. And just take your time until it's secure. There's one more cup that's going to go right on top, and you can add it before you attach the tier to the pole or after, but in the same way. So you unscrew the bolt and take the washer out, then place the cup over the bolt and place the washer back and screw the nut back on, securing it again with the wrench. Now we're going to get fancy and add the acrylic beaded garland accents. These are so gorgeous. There are 4 of them all together for the 4 branches. They're going to drop from the top cup down to each branch, so the easiest way to do that is to slide the metal hoop of the garland onto the teardrop hoop, like you would if you were putting a key on the key ring. You can also use the holes that the teardrop beads are hanging from, and just go from the top cup to each branch. For the finishing touch, we're placing the candle attachment on the cups. These are pretty heavy, so they will just sit inside the cups, and then you can add your beautiful candles. Here we're adding tea light candles, but you could also use tapered candles if you like that look better. Even small LED candles will work. Now all that's left to do is light the candles and enjoy the candle holder. You can really dress up any space or table, from your dining room table to your reception. The centerpiece is graceful and light and looks absolutely gorgeous. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found it helpful, make sure that you like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.